Is your PlayStation 5 suddenly cutting out on you, right in the middle of an epic gaming session? Let's troubleshoot those frustrating PS5 shutdowns, starting with the basics first. Check that power cord, ensure it's securely plugged into both your console and the wall outlet. A loose connection can definitely cause unexpected power loss. Then, try a different outlet just to rule out any issues with your current one. Next, ventilation. Your PS5 needs to breathe. Make sure its surroundings aren't obstructing airflow. Keep it away from enclosed spaces, and don't place anything on top of it. Is the area dusty? Excessive dust buildup can cause overheating, so give your vents a visual check. Cleaning them gently with compressed air if needed is a smart move. Now, let's move on to your system software. Navigate to your PS5 settings menu. From there, click on System, then System Software. Check for system software updates. Outdated software can sometimes trigger stability issues, so install any pending updates to keep your console running smoothly. If the problem persists after these initial steps, it's important to consider other potential causes. Check your games. Sometimes a specific game might have an incompatibility. Try playing different games or doing a clean install of affected ones. A last option is contacting PlayStation support to know if they can help with your hardware problems.